Listen, listen, listen. It's our fun stop. And this morning, how much do you trust me? We have to be able to trust those with whom we interact on a daily basis. So this morning, our producer is putting, she not put we on the spot. She put the crew member them on the spot because them know when me stand on this. We're putting us on the spot to say which crew member on the floor we would trust in different scenarios. So, here's the first one. First one
different from me on the shop. Like. They just say that.
You are stranded in a boat with sharks around you. Which crew member would you trust to save you? Which would you not trust to save you?
I trust Marvin.
I trust Sheffield.
Well, soft man say him would have thrown a rope for me and pull me. Him not coming for me. I trust Marvin.
Pull him in through the sharks, by the way.
Spanish Town say him can't swim, so him not coming. So
I trust.
Should I take them up or I just point at them?
I trust Sheffield to save me.
I check Marvin and Sheffield.
Definitely would not get a call from me.
And as I said, Spanish Town don't send can't swim, so Spanish Town not going to save me. But
if him could swim, him could jump in the water with the sharks?
Him say him not come.
Sheffield would have worked it out. Sheffield would have said, Delia, even if him can't come, him would have said, give me a minute, I gotta find somebody. When me know, Sheffield said him would have used Spanish Town as bait.
Well, right. At least Softman had an idea. I'm trying to help me, so I'm going to throw out a rope. I don't know if it's the greatest help that in life.
Never.
But at least him say he would have tried help.
You would have done for.
Next one. You have to drive to a party in 20 minutes. It takes 35 minutes to get there. Who would you trust to take you there and who do you not trust to take you there?
Oh my God.
Well, Marvin drive like a madman.
So I don't know if I trust him, but he would get me there in 20 minutes.
Marvin would get me
That's
there.
Marvin.
Spanish Town, can you drive?
Yeah, man, yeah.
You have car? Okay, so Spanish Town couldn't help.
Who would I not trust to get me there? Boy, I can't pick up Softman 2 times. So I'm going to go with Spanish Town.
Yeah.
You know what really would trust
Sheffield, I
Spanish?
get me there too, you know. Sheffield. Because Sheffield drive one of them plane car, you know. So Sheffield, I get me
I'm going to put you on the bike.
Yeah, Sheffield, I get
Spanish Town, by the time Spanish Town done ask me question,
that's Sheffield, by the
party, the 35 minutes are done, he would have said, what time you say you need to reach? 20 minutes Spanish Town.
And that is Spanish Town.
I'm not okay. Where the party is. You tell him where the party is. So only for people going to be there.
Right time,
by the time Spanish Town done the party done. It ain't gonna work.
Next. Clive name on list.
You drop your purse or wallet in the water, but someone has to get it before it sinks. After 30 seconds, you find your friend. Luckily, your friend has his or her bathing suit on. Who would you trust to get it for you? This question is confusing because I wouldn't want to see none of them in a bathing suit. And now I can't even get that image out of my head.
Oh, bathing suit, Kamika. Where Kamika?
Yeah, Kamika can't swim. You can't swim, Kamika? No.
Kamika.
No, Kamika can't swim.
Kamika can't swim.
Oh my God.
Softman, you can't swim? Yeah, man.
No. Did you see what he did a while ago? You said, Softman, you can't swim and him go swim.
Yeah, man. May I go?
No, wrong question
that
you asked, Neville. Wrong question. Have you ever been in water and swam?
Yeah, no, man. Softman, that do. I ain't not throwing a rope this time.
Ferran, you can't swim? Oh, jeez.
I'm not trusting Marvin to save me because if Marvin dive in the pool, I go empty. That is Marvin's back.
I don't know. This one's a tough
Marvin,
one.
let's see him.
Sheffield, you can't swim?
No, Sheffield goes so Sheffield.
So it's going to be Softman.
Softman going to save us.
Softman. Who would I not trust? Kamika.
Yeah, man, I put down back Kamika.
I not trust Kamika. Kamika, I'm going to put on the bathing suit. I say, Kamika, are you diving in? Wait. Wait. Take a picture.
Why me and John,
Take a picture. My hair is going to get wet.
I didn't even want no picture, so I'm going to video it. That's how Kamika and we are John. Next. Oh, Clive name not on list. Nobody not just Clive.
After reading The Boy Who Cried Wolf, someone cries wolf. Who is that person and do you believe him or her? Sheffield.
Sheffield would have
cry wolf.
Sheffield would have cry wolf. Just for the joke.
Just for the joke.
Just for the joke.
Sheffield would have said wolf. So something wrong with me, no one can't help me, can't hear me say wolf. He would have made a big deal out of it.
Sheffield.
It would have been Sheffield.
It would be Sheffield.
Sheffield would have said, so what? Every time I hear wolf, I'm not going to come. Yeah, that's Sheffield.
Sheffield and Ramsey would be.
Yeah.
Next.
Sheffield. That's Sheffield.
We have two more, I'm told. You have to prepare a project for a competition. The competition is 5 weeks away, but it takes 2 months for an average person to complete the project. Who would you trust to help you? Well, first, it depends on what kind of competition. Because if it's for fix car, it's different from, for fix a house or different from...
Marvin and Sheffield.
It takes 2 months for an average person to complete the project. Who would you trust to help you?
Marvin and Sheffield. Marvin and Sheffield.
You know, say, we not fight out the great Spanish town. No, we not fight out Spanish town. Me that draft for Spanish town.
Him would have helped, but me don't know if him would have helped in a. First of all, Spanish town I say, why you take on the project? And that's the problem I have with Spanish town. It's if you put time specificity on it,
Spanish town dead.
No. If you say you have a project, can Spanish town help you? Absolutely. If you have a time frame,
it don't make sense.
No.
No, well, me disagree with you. Me I work with Spanish.
Spanish town, I'm gonna say
Spanish town, I working with you.
Spanish town say why you take on that project?
Sir? Put up so them can see a name on the thing pretty Spanish town.
He might say, deals. Why you take on the project?
Oh, Spanish town.
So if you not finish it, what go happen?
Yeah.
No.
So we like Jamaica where to do the video while we are drowned.
Ferran would have helped you, but after the 5 weeks
I just realized that Ferran named the part. After I still can't figure out why we do have Clive.
When it reached 5 weeks, and you say, Ferran, him say, yeah, man. You're good, man.
All right, last one.
You're stuck in a cave in the side of a cliff. Your friend drops a rope and tells you to grab on. You look below and see a long way down. Should you grab onto the rope? Who is holding the rope? Do you trust him?
You are stuck in a cave on the side of a cliff. Your friend drops a rope and tells you to grab on. You look
Ferran. I trust Ferran with the rope. Marvin might not drop the rope.
No, Marvin is a strong one.
Him strong, but he might not drop the rope. No. Marvin, him strong, but he might not drop the rope.
Well,
Marvin, I gonna say, why you go down there? Oh, you reach down there?
No, Marvin did not help me. See him there now.
Marvin. Ferran, me know say Ferran for true. Would I say, Miss Harris?
Soft man would have helped me. Yeah, soft man. Yeah, soft man would have dropped the rope.
Him would have dropped the rope.
Help me.
But me don't know if he would have tied the rope. Him would have dropped it and me go on the rope, come up in my hand and me say, soft man, why you never tie the rope? It never tie. It never tie. Lord have mercy. No. Me would have to do the rope like 10 times before me start crawl. I don't think so.
There you
Clive,
go.
no. Look, we should go back over all the scenarios and tell you what Clive would do.
I don't understand them leave out Clive though.
Clive would have dropped the rope in there. Clive would have said, I'm coming down there to get you.
And
then him climb down there and then I said, Clive, oh, we're going to leave here. Don't worry about it, man.
All right, folks, we are going to take a break. When we come back, we'll be talking about the importance of family support through thick and thin in our Family First segment with Karine Miller-Moore and her dad, Reverend Al Miller. I'll have that one. But first, here's our first band rewind performance from Amani.